Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are diving into the world of robotic simulation software and we will explore PyBullet, IsacSim, Mujoko, Weebots, and Gazebo as a simulator for robotics and break down their differences so you can choose the one that the best suits for your needs. And let's get started. Before we get into the details, let's briefly understand what a robotic simulator is. A robotic simulator is a software tool that allows you to simulate robots and their environment. This is incredibly useful for testing the algorithm, physicals, and behaviors without using a physical hardware. It saves a lot of time, reduces costs, and avoid damaging expensive equipment during the development. Now, let's look at some of the most popular robotics simulation today. First up is PyBullet. PyBullet is an open source physics engine built on bullet physics. It's designed for robotics, machine learning, and real-time simulation. PyBullet is well known for its simplicity and Python-based API, making it great for researchers and developers using Python. Key features: lightweight and easy to use. And then excellent support for reinforcement learning tasks. And also integrated with libraries like OpenAI Gym. And for case, in robotics, control in simulation, AI and reinforcement learning experiments, also proper in using PyBullet as a simulator. However, PyBullet may not provide the most realistic simulations compared to the some other tools due to its simplified physics modeling. Next is NVIDIA IsacSim. IsacSim is NVIDIA's powerful robotic simulation built on Omniverse. It focuses on photorealistic simulations and advanced physics leveraging NVIDIA's GPU technology. And for the key features, first is photorealistic rendering with ray tracing and also support for AI-based simulations, including sensor data generation. And it also can integrate with ROS and Isaac SDK. For case using IsacSim, this is for testing the autonomous robots in realistic environment. And second one is training AI models with synthetic sensor data. The main downside is that IsacSim requires high GPU performance, which may limit accessibility for some users. Next, we have Mujoko, short for Multi-Joint Dynamics with Contact. Mujoko is a physics engine primarily designed for research in robotics, machine learning, and biomechanics. It's known for its speed and efficiency when simulating contact-rich environments. The key features are, first, highly efficient for simulating real-time physics. And the second one, focus on accuracy for contact dynamics and constraint. And last but not least, it's also widely used in reinforcement learning benchmarks. For case using this simulation, first, the simulation robots with complex interactions like humanoid or multi-limbed robots. And also if you want to research in control and learning algorithms, Mujoko is best fit for you. Mujoko's main limitation is its steeper learning curve compared to the PyBullet, and until recently, it was a paid tool, although it's now open source. Next is Weebots. Weebots is an open source simulation platform specifically designed for mobile robotics and industrial automation. It provides an easy to use interface and rich library of robot models. And the key features are, first, user-friendly with a graphical user interface or GUI. And second, supports a wide range of programming language including Python, C, and Java. And next, built-in libraries for sensors, controllers, and actuators. For the simulator, you can use this for some cases, such as educational purposes and simulating mobile robots like drones with robots and humanoids on it. However, Weebots may lack some advanced features for high-fidelity physics and rendering compared to IsacSim. Finally, we have Gazebo, one of the most widely used simulator in robotics. Gazebo is open source and tightly integrated with ROS, or Robot Operating System, and making it ideal for roboticists working on real-world applications. So in Gazebo, we have a lot of key features like realistic physics and sensor simulations, and large community support and integration with ROS, and supports multi-robot simulation in complex environment. So for using this simulator for any of cases, for instance, testing robotics algorithm before deploying to real hardware, and second, simulating multi-robot interaction in large environment. However, the downside is that Gazebo can be resource intensive and sometimes complex for beginners due to its steep learning curve. And here is all of the summary of the simulators that we can use for robotics. And so which simulator should you choose? If you're working on AI and reinforcement learning, PyBullet and MuJoCo are excellent options. For photorealistic environments and advanced simulation, ISACSim is the way for you to go. And if you are an educator or beginner, Weeboots provides an easy starting point. And if you want to make a real robot implementation based on ROS, or Robot Operating System, Gazebo is your best need. And each simulator has its strengths and weaknesses, so the choice ultimately depends on your specific project requirements. That is for today's video. I hope this guide helped you understand all of the simulators that we can choose for our projects as a roboticist. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.